Welcome to this video. Today, you're going to learn the difference between fun and funny. This is a mistake that I hear from students all the time, and it's a really easy mistake to fix, and that's exactly what you'll do today. Of course, I'm Jennifer from jforcedenglish.com, and this channel is dedicated to helping you sound like a fluent, confident, natural English speaker. Now, before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. Now, let's dive in with this video. Today, you're going to learn the difference between fun and funny. Now, both of these are adjectives, but they're used in very different contexts. So I'm going to play you a sound. Yep, a sound. And I want you to write down if that sound describes fun or funny. So let's listen to sound number one. So I'll play it and then write in the comments if that describes fun or funny. Let's listen. Yeah! All right, now let's listen to sound number two, and you can say if that describes fun or funny. Leave it in the comments below. So to understand the difference between fun or funny, you just need to remember those two sounds. Sound number one with the people cheering was fun. Sound number two with laughter was funny. So, fun as an adjective means enjoyable, a good time. For example, the party was fun. So you can imagine people are enjoying themselves. They're having a good time. Now, funny as an adjective, it means that something is amusing. It causes someone to laugh. So if I said the movie was funny, I imagine that the movie was a comedy, and in the movie, the audience was laughing a lot of the time. Now, this is the mistake I hear. A lot of students will give me a context where I wouldn't expect people to be laughing. And they say something like, the party was funny, or the sports game was funny, or the concert was funny. So my reply to that when I hear it from my students is, why? Why was the party funny? Because when I think of a party, I don't really think of people laughing the whole time. I think of people having a good time. Or same with a sports event or a concert is not really an event that I picture a lot of laughter. So I want to know why. Why was everybody laughing? But of course, that's not what they meant. They meant enjoyable. So they should have said the party was fun. The sports event was fun. The concert was fun. Now, just keep in mind that we can describe a person as both fun or funny, and perhaps even both. For example, let's take Mr. Bean, the famous comedian Mr. Bean. Now, I can definitely say Mr. Bean is funny. Mr. Bean is funny. When I talk to him or when I watch him, I laugh. I laugh a lot. Mr. Bean is funny. And I'm sure you have a friend or someone in your family, or maybe even it's you who is funny. And when people are around you or that friend or your family member, there's a lot of laughter, right? Now, I can also describe someone as fun. And that means they're enjoyable to be with. I enjoy spending time with them. So I could say, oh, my new coworker is really fun. He has a lot of activities that are fun to do. I enjoy spending time with them. He's really fun. But I could describe someone as both of those adjectives. I could say he's fun and he's funny. So that's definitely possible with people. But with events, make sure you keep in mind when an event is funny, produces a lot of laughter, and when an event is just enjoyable, which would be fun. So that's the difference between fun and funny. Now it's your turn to practice. I want you to leave an example in the comments using fun and using funny as well. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe. Now before you go, make sure you head on over to my website, j4isenglish.com, and download your free speaking guide. In this guide, I share 6 tips on how to speak English fluently and confidently. And until next time, happy studying! Alright, I hope you had a lot of fun in this video. I hope it was enjoyable. I personally don't think that my videos are funny, but I don't know, maybe you do. You can let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!